So what's going on, guys? My name is Gorbix, and in this video we're gonna be talking about how to import files from Adobe After Effects to Adobe Premiere Pro. So just before we start, I want to be sure that you click on subscribe, hit like if you want, because that will motivate me too much to put new videos, new tutorials only for you. So this thing is too easy. Some people can face some problems, it says there is the version of Adobe Premiere Pro is not compatible with the version of Adobe After Effects. So the first advice that I want to give it to you is to use the same version. I mean, if you use Adobe After Effects CC 2015, make sure to use Premiere Pro 2015 as me here, so that you won't face any problem or anything else. So I created this lower third here, and I want to import it to Adobe Premiere Pro in order to put it in video. So this is too easy. Sorry, I close Photoshop right now. So make this bigger. So go to File. After that, click on Save As, and choose the destination that you want to save it on. So I'm gonna save it on desktop. I'm gonna let it also name Facebook lower third dot Adobe After Effects project. Then click on Save. After that, go to Premiere Pro, File, New Project. Then name it as you want. So new video. Then click on OK. So wait some seconds. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do is, so here guys, my lower third here. So select it like this and drag it to Premiere Pro slowly. Then when Premiere Pro appears, go to the project zone and left the mouse. After that, it imports automatically. So here, wait some seconds until these files appears. So choose the one who you want to use it. So for me, I'm gonna select social media because it's the right one. So if you see so many files, select one by one until you find the right one. So I'm gonna click on OK. After that, I'm gonna import my video here. So it's the same as the lower third by dragging and dropping. So here we go to the timeline. We drag and drop again to the timeline zone. After that, the same for the lower third. Just drop and drag here. So I take it from here and I left the mouse in the timeline zone. So we left the mouse. We go to this sequence here. So we zoom something. Sorry. So here is my lower third. It's too easy. So in addition, if you want to modify the size of it, it's too easy. So here is my lower third. So you can find, if you like this lower third, I can do another video about it, and I can give it for free with no wasting your time in creating this lower third. So just select it like this and go to Effect Control, then click on Motion, then decrease its size by this. So I'm gonna decrease it. Then if you want to change its position, just drag it by the mouse as you see it. Like me, I want to put it in up here. Then everything is working okay. So if you have another problem and I don't mentioned it here, please comment with this problem and I will try to solve it. You can visit more videos, you can find more solutions. So Gorbix was with you. See you for the next videos.